Friends, what if I told you that Meta has released a free AI video generator that lets you create unlimited videos with no credit limits? Yes, you heard that right. One of the biggest frustrations with AI video tools today is running out of credits just when you are getting started. But Meta's latest AI tool changes everything. You can generate unlimited long form AI videos and surprisingly it's easy to use. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, from accessing the tool to creating amazing AI videos using all its powerful features. Let's get started. The first step is accessing the tool, and it's incredibly simple. Let's go to Google and search for Meta Vibes. You see there are multiple websites that get shown, right? Click on vibes.ai. It will ask you to store cookies. Please click on continue. There's an option to log in or even download the app also. I'll click on login. By default, it will check if I have a Instagram account, or you can also log in with a Facebook account. I'll click on continue with Instagram. Once you log in, you'll be taken to this page which shows all the projects. Click on create new project. It will open up an untitled one. You can always rename whatever you want. Elephant. I'll just give a simple example. Elephant riding. So here at the bottom, you will see an option to generate video, generate image, or even lip sync. Let us start with something called generate image. I'll just give something like elephant riding a bike. As simple as that. I'm not giving anything on character, style or scene. By default, it should be able to take its own. Click on hit, press button. It will default generate 4 images. It will take a few seconds and generate 4 different types of images. Since this is a beta version, you might see a lot of errors. You see I only got 3 images, and the fourth one it said server is busy. One of the most beautiful feature of Meta Vibes is the timeline feature. I'll explain completely about this timeline feature at the end of the video. Once you generate image, it's pretty easy to create animation out of it. You can by default give a prompt manually, or you can just say click auto animate. By default, it will generate you a 5-second clip of the video that you have created animated. Once that is generated, there is an option to auto extend from 5 seconds to 9 seconds. I'll just give it a try. You see it has generated a 9-second video clip from 5 seconds. Automatically it has extended from 5 seconds to 9 seconds. So this way you can create unlimited images and unlimited videos. Let's go ahead and try and create one more. This time there's an option to choose the character, style and scene. I'll click on character. We can choose any current project characters, or if you want to pick up from some other projects that you have, there also you can pick. And there's an option to also upload. For now, I'll just click on upload and I'll choose my own image. Just click on upload and it will pull that into the library. If you see, I am able to get that. It's as simple as just selecting this and clicking on add to prompt. Right? That will give you Meta Vibes AI to use this character to generate riding a bike. Since this is still a beta version, we are not able to see character consistency. So let's see how it will create me riding a bike. You click on character, you can choose. There are a lot of options to choose from the library itself. I'll just take an example of this girl. Next, we will move on to video generation. Select video. There are multiple options. You can just select a character, you can select a style, you can select a scene, you can select a scene, and you can choose start frame and end frame. For example, I'll choose the start frame as this, add to video, and I'll choose end frame as this one, add to video, and I'll say elephant riding a bike in the forest. It is still generating those videos. Let's see what it does. Alright, it has generated 4 videos. You have the option to add any voice that you want. There are a lot of voices available by default in the tool.
Hey, how's it going? This is my voice. Is this a good fit for your video? Let's get into it.
A fine day to you.
I like this voice. I'll just choose this, apply to video. I'll just say, hello, my name is the cute elephant. I'll just choose sing to voice, and you can also choose whatever trending music you want. You have the option to choose which portion you want and then click on sync to music. One of the most beautiful feature of Meta Vibes is the timeline feature. I'll show you in detail as to how to use this timeline. Once you have generated the videos, it's time to merge them all together. You can use the timeline feature that we have. You can click on add media and choose the media that you want from the current project. Once you have added a video, you can automatically add multiple videos so that that can be extended. There's an option to crop videos the way you want it, and you also have the option to fade in, fade out, animate. There's an option to add, if you have your own audio, you can write a script and choose a voice from here or add a song from here. I'll choose a trending song. Just choose this. Add to timeline. And if you want, you can also add a text, anything that you want. Once you have created the timeline video, there's an option to post. This will directly help you post it on your Instagram page. Currently, Vibes does not have an option to download the video that you have generated, but if you want to download the individual videos, that is still possible. Once the video is generated, there is an option to download the video from here, and it will save it to your gallery. If not, you can also click on these 3 dots and click on copy link, post to Vibes, download. There are multiple ways to pull that in.